Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be washing my hair, and the first thing I have to do is to wash it outside the shower before I hop in the shower and like actually rinse it and shit. I've never done this before. Well, I probably have. No, I have, because my mom does this for me, but I don't do it myself. First thing I'm gonna do is unbraid one. Like I'm gonna unbraid them one at a time. Then I'm gonna go in with my conditioner and then a little bit of shampoo, but mostly conditioner to help me detangle this hair. My hair is mad dirty. I know y'all can see that. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is add conditioner. Oh shit, I said I was gonna do this with gloves on. I don't wanna do this with... I need a little bit more. Oh shit, that was a lot. That was way more than I needed. I'm just gonna keep conditioning. Okay, conditioned. A little, whoa. This much shampoo I'm about to, I'm probably gonna increase it. Is that a pimple? I think that's a pimple. Is that my skin? No, that's not a pimple, that's glue. There we go. This just have alcohol in here. Okay, making sure it doesn't smell like alcohol. And I'm gonna wet my hair a little bit. Ooh, that's a lot of water. Okay. Separate this into two. And I'm just gonna twist this. Okay. Me twisting it has nothing to do with the hairstyle. Like, at all. This is just me not wanting to get it tangled up with the braid I'm about to untangle. Okay. After doing that, I'm gonna split that in half. Twist up the front. Okay, I'm gonna come back to y'all when I do most of it, because it makes no sense for me to record everything. Okay guys, I'm back, and I did one side, and I still have to do the other side. I should have checked what time it was before I started, but I didn't. But I'm looking real ugly. Looking real fucking rough. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I literally have one braid left. And yeah. This is what my hair is looking like so far. This obviously it's shrinking. And this is what I've done already. So hold on, let me get some of this. Put it on the braid that I'm undoing. Oh my god, there's conditioner on my face. I tried. I just made it worse. Okay. The back of my head is technically finished. Now the top portion of my head. I'm back, but I didn't even wash my hair. I'm still in the same clothes, didn't do anything yet. But I wanted to show you guys what I have to like do this, the hairstyle I want to try and do. I'm be doing a rubber band. Oh shit, a rubber. There's a balloon in here. Hold on. Rubber band hairstyle. But I just got some vitamin E oil, a little bit of eco. Oh shit, I have my whole jar right there. I have this one, but I have like a bigger one over there. Just some pomade that I forgot what it was because the shit is coming off. And natural growth oil. Okay, y'all, I am back and out the shower. I still have to clean my table because I left the conditioner bottle that I was supposed to rinse off from the shower, but I didn't. Forgot everything. But I'm gonna do that. But I am freshly washed. I moisturized my face because my face was looking ashy. You know when you just look so dry? But this is what my hair is looking like. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you. My hair is just looking like this because I rinsed it out. I'm gonna recreate this person recreating as Liam Williams. But I'm gonna go for this hairstyle. Fuck the reflection. But yeah. That one right there. Kinda. I don't know. It's not gonna turn. I know it's not gonna turn out like that. I just know because my hair don't listen. But we gonna try my best. So I know it's not making sense on why the fuck I look like this. But I did the front part, right? Did that. Jesus. Fuck it. I slicked the middle. I have this so my hair doesn't curl up. And then now I gotta do the back and slick it up to here. My hair. Okay, my plan is to do it this way instead. Oh, for it to stay, I have to use a rubber. Okay, I'm gonna use pink now. Even though pink doesn't go with everything. Oh no, I'm gonna use black. I'm trying to make it stay. I have no idea how to do this.
Like Chief Keef, always yelling names, that's DC's. I go off my mind and my instinct. Shooting at the same time, we was instinct.